morning, first grade. It's time for Number Corner. We are finally in a new month, the month of March. March starts with a capital M because it's the name of a month. And you might notice at the end of March is the CH. And we know CH makes the sound ch, ch, ch. So we are in the month of March. March is the third month of the year, January, February, March. So when we write our digital date, we will start with a 3 because it's the third month. So let's take a look at our calendar. And today is Monday, March 1st. And look at our calendar card. In the month of March, we are going to be studying clocks. We're going to study the analog clock, the digital clock. We're also going to be talking about how much time has passed. So lots of work with clocks in the month of March. So if we take a look, March 1st, both our hour and our minute hand are pointing at 12. So that means it's 12 o'clock. You might remember from when we studied clocks before, when the minute hand is up on the 12, that's the o'clock time. So today's date is 3-1. The type of clock is an analog clock. That means it has the minute hand and the hour hand with the 12 hours around the clock. Okay, you can see the 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's halfway around, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the analog clock shows 12 hours. We know there's 24 hours in a day. So you might remember that we do the first 12 from midnight to noon, and then noon again to midnight. So it has to go around twice. So what time is it? On our clock, it was 12 o'clock. And we don't have to write how much time has passed because 12 o'clock is our starting time. So we'll just put an X there. All right. So for the calendar collector, we are going to be collecting dimes, nickels, and pennies. And you can see we have week 1, week 2, and week 3. And here is our graph. So you can see it says dimes, nickels, and pennies data. And this is where we'll graph our dimes, our nickels, and our pennies. So we'll spin the spinner. And you can see that I have my little dish full of dimes, nickels, and pennies. And so let's spin for today. And today landed on 2 dimes. Remember, dimes are the little silver ones, and they are worth 10 cents. So we can take out our 2 dimes and drop them in week 1. So 10, 20. And now I'm going to come to our graph, and I'm going to color in 2 spots, okay? So, actually I'm gonna put an X there. So we did 10, 20, 2 dimes so far, okay? And what else do we need to do for today? We need to color in for another day in school. And look at that, we made it. Another group of 10. So now we have 100, and we have 1 group of 10 and 0 ones. We've been in school for 110 days. So that's, let me show you what that looks like. If we're talking about our place value, we have 1 group of 100, we have 1 10 stick, and we have 0 ones right now. So we've been in school for 110 days. We can can write that by writing 100 plus a group of 10. We could write 109 plus one more. We could also write 50 plus 50 plus 10. Lots of different ways to make 110. On today's date, on our little our chart over here, we're in the month of March. So if we want to abbreviate March, it's M-A-R. So today is March 1st, 2021. So our digital date is 3-1-21. And because we have made a new group of 10, we're going to take Tad all the way from 100, and he's going to jump 10 more to get to 110. So let's practice counting by tens to 110. Help me out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. And that's everything for today for Number Corner.